Story Maps lets you use pictures, maps, and text to create a visual narrative. Here's one that uses horizontal tabs to nicely cover a topic. And here is an excellent one put together by the USGS that uses vertical storytelling instead of horizontal tabs. Notice how pictures or maps appear in the right panel, while text and images can be added in the left panel. To begin, visit storymaps.arcgis.com. Sign in with your Google account. Click on the My Stories tab. Any existing projects will appear on this page for editing, and choose Create Story to start a brand new story. There are a variety of apps that will provide the template for your digital poster. The Map Series and Map Journal apps are ideal for this project. Map Series uses multiple horizontal tabs, and the Map Journal is very similar, but it scrolls vertically instead. There are other apps available like Swipe or Cascade that you can use to create additional visuals to link to include on your main digital poster. But templates like this cannot support all of the areas you need for this project, so use them as supplements but not the primary tool for your poster. I'll choose Map Series and then choose my preferred layout. Tabbed is great for me, but you have other options here as well. Choose your layout and then Start. Title your project and click the next arrow. You will be prompted to create your first tab. You can rearrange your tabs later, so order is not essential right now. I will start with a tab for background information. After you title the tab, you need to select what the primary media will be. If you choose Map, you'll have the option to select an existing ARCGIS map, or you'll be able to create your own. You can also use images, video, or web pages for your backgrounds. Of these, the web page option is the most susceptible to errors, but I will show you how I had the best luck with this option. Let's start with the map option. I will choose Select a Map and use the drop-down menu to search the ARCGIS database. Greenland will be my search term. These are maps other users have made, and it is difficult to preview the content here, so let me choose this one, and if I don't like it, I can easily change it later. Go with the defaults and then choose Add. This map has very informative pop-ups, but if you choose a map and it's not quite what you need for your project, just choose Edit. Selecting Edit here would enable me to make changes to this map, or I can use the drop-down menu to search for a different map. Click Save and your map will update. These are satellite maps, so you can zoom in and out and pan like you do in Google Maps or Earth, and clicking Home resets the map to its original location or position. Now I need to add in my text. I recommend composing your information in Google Docs and then copy and pasting it into the text panel. Notice that all of my information has been supported with research quality, parenthetical, or internal citations that will be referenced on my Works Cited page. I can adjust the font size and formatting using the buttons in the toolbar. I can also use this button to upload images, videos, or links that will appear in the left panel. I already have a satellite image background in the right panel, but a land view would enhance my background information. So I will upload a photograph. StoryMap does not autosave, so make sure to save your project often. Let's create a new tab to see how easy it is to add your own custom map. Click Add to add a new tab. Then choose Create in the Map drop-down menu. Title your map and choose Create. Enter your location in the address or place search box. I don't like this base map, so I will use the base map option to change it. Use the Add drop-down menu to add layers and map notes. Map notes allow you to draw on the map and pinpoint certain locations. You can also upload pictures into your pinpointed locations. Click Save to save your map, and then close the map editor. Finally, add your map. You can use the edit option to make any changes to your map. Users will be able to zoom and scroll around on the map and click the home button to recenter it. You should note this in your text field because if you have multiple maps, sometimes the map loads with a previous map's orientation. Add some pertinent information about the map that ties it to your research question, and then add some text like, click the home button to recenter the default map view. Let's add another tab. Choose the Add button and title your new tab. This would be an ideal spot for your infographic. I saved an infographic as a JPEG or image file, and I will upload it. Choose Image, then Upload. It's hard to know what to choose for position, but center often seems to work, and if not, you can easily come back and change this. Click Add. This position looks great, but if you didn't like it, simply choose the Edit button and select a different position. Add your relevant text and explanation here, and finally save your tab. Let's quickly explore how to add in some other items. Embedding Google Slides looks really nice in a StoryMap. Open your slides presentation and then click the Share button. Click Advanced and change the sharing permissions to make sure it's shared anyone with a link, and then choose Done. Now go to the File menu and choose Publish to the Web. Click the Embed tab. Select your slide size and Auto Advance options and then choose Publish. Copy the embed code. Now go back to your StoryMap, create a new tab and choose the Web Page option. Paste in your copied code in the embed code box and then choose Configure. I am going to elect for custom alignment and will type 900 by 600 pixels for my dimensions. Then choose Add. If the position doesn't look good to you, click the Edit button and adjust it. I don't think most of you will need a video for this project, but if you have a compelling reason to use one, find the video online and copy its address. Then create a new tab and opt for the video option. Choose the appropriate source and paste in your link. Click the check button for StoryMap to validate your link and then choose Select this video. Choose the position and then add your video. Don't forget to save your changes. Now let's create a new tab and explore the web page option. Linking items from Google Docs is very effective. Let's do this for your works cited. As always, make sure your document is shared anyone with a link in view and then copy its URL or address. Create a new tab in StoryMap, choose Web Page, paste in the URL and choose Configure to add the link. Sometimes links to live websites can be blocked by browser security measures, so make sure to check that all links are working properly before turning your project in. You can also use the hyperlink option to link in other tools like this before and after map comparison that I made with the Swipe app in StoryMap. If I copy the URL and add it to a new tab using the web page method, it becomes a great enhancement for my project. Occasionally, though, other web pages do not load properly. I have even had that happen with this very swipe tool that is currently working great. So as a backup, add a direct hyperlink in the text panel. Simply type text that will direct your readers to open the item in a new tab. Highlight that text message and then use the chain link icon on the toolbar to add the direct link. Let's save this project. Choose View Story to preview your story and the contents of each tab. You can simply close the Preview tab to return to editing mode. To reorder or delete tabs, choose the Organize option. Use the trash can to delete a tab and drag and drop to reorder them. My story is private, so only I can see it. Save your project again and then click the Share button when you are ready to submit your project. Toggle from Private to Public, and then copy the provided link, not the embed code. Submit this link to your teacher following the directions that he or she provided to you. That's how to use StoryMap. Select your visuals and text carefully to craft a digital narrative or digital poster that will clearly communicate your message.